to make a beautiful profile picture in Photoshop. Let's start to create it. First, unzip your zip file. Then open it. This is the sample for the cool post. Then click the Photoshop file and open it. Let's know how to change the text in this file. First, click the text group and click the drop-down to select your text. Then type your custom text and resize the position. Let's learn add your custom image to this post. First, select the image group and click the drop-down. And double-click the image layer. Then upload the image to the Photoshop and resize your image. Remove the background this image and click OK. And last, save this file and go back to the post. If to have any adjustment, then go back to the Image tab and again resize the image and save. Lastly, let's learn save this file to image type. Go to File, then select the Export and click Export As. Select your favorite file type and click Export button. And then select Save Location. Let's see the preview.